You guys, welcome back. I'm wrapping up this year with a comforting curry called Panang Mu. First, I'll make Panang Curry Paste from scratch, which I'll then use to make this luscious, flavorful curry, a true rice killer. Let's get started. Some aromatics for the curry paste. Cut them into smaller, manageable pieces. We want 1 mild chili, I'm using dried guajillo, and 1 spicy, I'm using dried jinda. Remove the seeds. In goes hot water to rehydrate them. Soak for 20 minutes. Additional ingredients for the curry paste. Let's toast the coriander and cumin seeds to activate its flavor and aroma. Let's pound everything into a paste. The dried chilies are rehydrated and soft. The liquid contains a lot of flavor, and you can use it to cook something else. Strain and pound them up too. I can't believe this is the last video of 2022. I want to say a big thank you to everyone supporting this channel, watching the videos, liking, commenting, sharing, coming back week after week. It means a lot, and I'm grateful for all of you. I wish you and your loved ones a Happy New Year. Panang Curry Paste is done. We'll use it shortly. I'm using pork shoulder, sliced thinly. Chicken or beef will also work. For some color and mild heat, I'm adding in Fresno peppers. Traditionally, spur chilies would be used, but use what you have available. And Kaffir lime leaves, sliced thinly. On medium-high heat, in goes coconut cream. Allow it to reduce like this, and in goes half of the Panang Curry Paste we made earlier. If you're using store-bought curry paste, be mindful of the saltiness of the brand that you use and adjust the rest of the ingredients accordingly. Once combined well, in goes the pork. Mix well. In goes coconut milk. Let it simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Season with fish sauce and palm sugar. The coconut oil will separate and a reddish orange oily film will appear like this. In goes the red chilies and most of the kaffir lime leaves. Save a bit for garnish. In goes crushed roasted peanuts for nuttiness. And simmer for another 5 minutes. The curry will reduce a bit. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. Garnish with kaffir lime leaves and serve with jasmine rice. Here we have it, Panang Hmu. Savory, slightly sweet, and nutty, full of aromatics. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and I'll see you all in the next video. Happy New Year and be safe everyone.